Lesson 3. Phonic sound of E. Read aloud. Bell, bed, hen, key. Net, keg, jet, egg. Read and learn. E-E-T, eat. M plus E-E-T, meet. G-R plus E-E-T, greet. B plus E-E-T, beat. F-L plus E-E-T, fleet. F plus E-E-T, feet. S-W plus E-E-T, sweet. Read. Boy is eating sweets. He always greets. E-N-T, ent. S plus E-N-T, scent. R plus E-N-T, rent. B plus E-N-T, bent. C plus E-N-T, scent. M plus E-N-T, meant. W plus E-N-T, went. S-P plus E-N-T, spent. T plus E-N-T, tent. Read. I stay in the tent. I pay the rent. E-double-L, L. W plus E-double-L, well. B plus E-double-L, bell. C plus E-double-L, sell. F plus E-double-L, fell. S plus E-double-L, sell. T plus E-double-L, tell. S-P plus E-double-L, spell. S-M plus E-double-L, smell. Read the words aloud and learn. E-D, ed. Led, wed. Red, fed, bed. E-N, N. Pen, hen, men, ten, den. E-T, et. Pet, bet, get, set, vet. E-double-L, L. Bell, well, fell, hell, tell. E-G, egg. Leg, keg, peg, egg, beg. Read and learn. Net, pet, vet, jet, bet. Hen, fen, pen, den, men. Egg, ear, eye, engine, eagle. Read and learn. I have a toothbrush, neat and clean. To brush my teeth every day, you have seen. I brush them every morning. I brush them every night. They all are shining, clean and bright.